Hey folks, welcome to the 30th Isometria Devlog. In this week's episode, I'll show you a new boss I've been working on called Bones. I'll also talk about some bug fixes and some changes that I've made, as well as general improvements, but otherwise this should be a pretty short update. Let's get started. This week I've been putting some time into creating a new boss for the cave, specifically Bones. As you can see, Bones is a work in progress. He's still missing a move, but otherwise he attacks you with a Bone Nova that shoots 3 times, as well as a charge attack similar to the first boss, which was Blobby. However, I'll add some new animations and tweak him accordingly in the future. I've also upgraded the version of Python that Isometria uses to the latest 3.12. This will give roughly a 5% performance boost, but otherwise it's rather marginal. But it's good to stay up to date. I expect some performance increases soon with the latest version of Pygame CE releasing, undoubtedly within the next few weeks or month, but that's it for performance increases. This week I did a testing run of multiplayer with a few of my friends. Overall, I was very pleased with the results. The server held at roughly 1 to 2% CPU usage, as well as about 400 to 500 megabytes of RAM usage, with no more than 300 kilobits per second use on networking, which is fantastic. So we should be able to handle 8 players, no problem, on the server side, which is the intended maximum. But it's possible that we go ahead and up that to 16, or we just leave it uncapped and let players decide. In this run, we've found multiple bugs and resolved many issues, so overall not a whole lot new has been added to Isometria this week. However, a lot of bugs were fixed, a lot of issues were taken care of. And that's it for this week, folks. I hope that you enjoyed the first look at the new boss. Ultimately, I consider this week a huge success just based on the fact that multiplayer was working great and a lot of bugs were fixed, despite not adding a whole lot of new content. Other milestones this week include hitting 3,000 wishlists on Steam. If you haven't yet wishlisted Isometria, please do so. There'll be a link in the description. Otherwise, like and subscribe this video, and I'll have some more weekly updates coming to you shortly. Except next week, I will be out of town, so don't expect too much. I'll see you in 2 weeks. Have a good one.